So continuing on with our series, Jazz and Papa Make a YouTube Video, we're on part 4, loading our video onto the YouTube platform. So let's have a look at that right now. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. And this is about how you load it actually onto the platform. So continuing on with our series, Jazz and Papa Make a YouTube Video, we're on part 4, loading our video onto the YouTube platform. So let's have a look at that right now. Okay, we're going to upload a YouTube video onto the YouTube platform. So the first thing we need to do is I need to get into YouTube. And then I need to add a video. I'm going to upload. And I'm going to find the one I want. So we got Jasmine, and we're going to upload editing one, which is this one. And then we go with our editing final draft. I believe that's the one. Yep. So that's the video we're going to load onto the platform. And this has recently been updated, so I'm still working my way through. So I need to put in the new title from this one, which is Jazz and Papa Make a YouTube Video Part 2 Editing. YouTube editing. Okay, in the descriptions. Now this is preset for my other YouTube channel, Working Class Wealth Creations. So I need to remove that. And we'll upload the thumbnail for that one. So we go into our thumbnails for YouTube. And that looks like one, part editing. So we'll be uploading that. Playlist. Okay, I think we're going to put a new playlist. So new playlist is going to be Jazz and Papa Activities. Visibility public. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we're going to create that one. Done. All right, we need to put our descriptions in because I've used that for my other channel. I have my descriptions for this channel here, and basically that has all my links to my social media. And I always throw in this one about explains really well about what subscribing means, because many people go on my channel think you have a subscription you have to pay for, and that's a really cute video on explaining how that all works. And now we'll go back into my description. I will put that in, but above that, okay, we put description of this video. Okay. Continuing with our series on Jazz and Papa making a YouTube video. This video will explain some of the aspects of the editing process. Continuing with our series on Jazz and Papa making a YouTube video, this video will explain some of the aspects of the editing process and preparation. Okay, the other thing I'll do is this will be the link, so I'll highlight that. And all my completed video projects I put on a little document here. Jazz and Papa Part 2. And then that is my link that I'll use later for my marketing material and whatnot. So I keep track of all that. There we go. Save that. So we're 31% uploaded. We've put our thumbnail on there. Thumbnails there. We add to a playlist. Even though Jasmine is in this video is not made for kids. None of my videos are made for kids. They're all for the over 50 retired adults, even though on occasion I may have some of my family involved. Doesn't contain any promotional endorsements. Again, this is preset for my other channel, Working Class Wealth Creation. So we put some tags that are just for this, and it's going to be relevant to this. So this is going to be, I'll put the title in again, Jazz and Papa make a YouTube video, and then making a YouTube video. Activities your children like YouTube video. Other people can find it by your journey transitions. Editing your YouTube video. Originally, it was told a lot of us you can use 500 characters to have lots and lots of tags, but then other people say you want to make them more specific and targeted. So I think we will leave it with just that for a number of tags. That's going to be in English. Recording date. We'll give today's a recording date. That's fine. And then standard licensing. Allow embedding. We're in the category of how to and lifestyle. Hold potentially inappropriate. So this is people put inappropriate comments. If the YouTube algorithm picks it up, it'll actually hold it and let me see it before it actually goes onto the comment section, which is very handy because people can put inappropriate comments on your videos and you could get kicked off the platform because real people don't see these things. It's all a computer algorithm. So we want to touch all that. That looks good. The next is to add end screens, which we'll do later in this video. The video's got to be fully uploaded before we can add an end screen. Visibility. This is to publish as soon as it finishes. We don't want to do that. We want to mark this private, still private. When we activate it and put it onto the platform, we'll just click a button, public, and it'll be visible to everybody. Right now, it's only going to be visible to me and people that I choose to view the video. And we could schedule a date to publish our video up front, but I just leave them in the queue and I'll put them in manually. And then again, there's this big thing about if children appear in your videos. Jasmine does appear in this video, but this video wasn't made for children, and she has more of a cameo role. This is made for an adult audience. So we're at 58% loading, 9 minutes left. Depends on your internet speed, but we will just come back to this when it's fully uploaded, because that's about all we'll do at this stage until it's uploaded. Okay, now that it's finished processing, it's fully loaded, we will quickly look through the next elements. We're going to add an end screen, so it gives us the option to do that now. And so the end screen is just, it gives a promotion to other videos that I have. So we need to choose a template first. We just got to see where it's going to come in at. Okay, click a template, it's going to be to the left. So I like to use one that has 2 videos, and they'll be placed to the left. So the one's got 2 videos, advertise and subscribe there. So we're going to choose that template. And then in first template, we're going to best for viewer. So that's going to be different for everybody. And then this video, we're going to have most recent uploaded. I can select a video of my choice. If I want to promote the same one, I can do that, but I just have the most recent upload. Gives people variety and best for viewer. So save. Okay, so we've got them both on there. Best for viewer, most recent update. Then we can preview to see what that's going to look like. The space there, it's all good. That fits on there fine. Okay, so that all looks good. Happy with that. We're going to save those changes. Return to YouTube Studio. And next, again, when we want to publish this, we'll just hit public and it will be published. So we're all good. We're done. That is how you load a video onto the YouTube platform. See, it says here, see it's private. These are all public. These are ones already open. And so I'll just click that. I can do the public one there. And that activates that one. And there'll be another video. I'll show you how we activate that and then mark it on social media. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and found that informative. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is the first time to this channel, I suggest you look at some of my other videos. And if this is the type of content that you're interested in, I would suggest that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell where you'll be notified anytime I release similar content. I'd love to get some feedback from you. If you have any ideas on different projects that Jazz and I could do next, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can email me directly at yourjourneytransitions@gmail.com or through my social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course my website, yourjourneytransitions.com. Until next time, when we meet for the final video in the series, where we activate our video on YouTube and then announce it through social media. And that will be the final video in this series. So that will be part 5. So until then, this is Rick Ward, your guide to the retirement stages, wishing you an extraordinary retirement.
This is like a cocoon.
What comes out of a cocoon?
Butterflies.
Are butterflies beautiful?
Yeah.